guys. Nice, huh? But we are not in the forest, we are in the city, and we got this E34 for a POV drive today. It's a 525 TDS, and look at here, mirror fury trim. Guys, this car has been taken care of. This is the old inline 6 pre-chamber diesel in a state version with nice tires, 17-inch big iron tires, wheels. Look at from here, it's a straight pipe, it's a black smoke car, it's a Euro -5 maybe. Let's see the engine, guys. Let me check you the engine before we start. Little bit of the interior, but you'll see it in the POV. Now, wow, see that, guys? Do you like it? Yeah, I like it too. That's how a hood should be opened into this car. Look at it, how badass it is now. It's so nice, guys. Okay, let's see here what we have. We have an old TDS engine, which is a great engine, but some people have not taken care of them like me and have destroyed them, so that they are so notorious for being unreliable. Here is the turbo, a lot of space for bigger one. And for the other engine, guys, imagine here putting 3.0 twin turbo from 286 horsepower and remap it to 400, putting it in that one. To be brutal car, right? Yeah. Okay, that's the engine, and that's the nice hood. So you only close it nice, and you do like this little push. Whoop. Yeah, it closes nice, huh? Okay, and it cannot open while we're driving. That's one of the benefits of that opening. Let's go, guys, we've wasted too much time. Let's go. I'll not show you the key like the other POVs. I'll show it, but there's nothing to push actually, so it's completely manual thing. Let's go. And it's already warm up. Yeah, it started nice. Let's put this on my head and let's go driving it. Manual. This car has a remap, and it actually has got an LSD differential, so it can spin, but it's not my car, so I will not risk that much. Let's go, guys, and drive it. This old school switch has always made me feel nice when I put it up. Let's go, guys. Whoa, it's aggressive because it has a remap. Let's go that way. Yeah, that was, guys, actually an LSD differential from the back. Sorry for the dirty window, guys. As you know, this one not working. Fifth gear. Some cool roundabout here, but too many cars. With the LSD differential, you have a full control, guys. That's the nice of it. The nice thing about this differential, because you can keep the car drifting all the time without locking one tire fire only. Well, for that it's good to have a hybrid turbo in order to have more power in the lower RPM, but that's not healthy for that engine. So if you want really to sway it, better take 525i. So you need RPM for that thing. Well, the brakes are not good as in the new cars, but we will not brake, guys, we will just drive. Fuel economy, well, when I had a TDS it gave me 12 in the city, 12 to 13, because I'm driving like a maniac all the time, and maybe around 8 extra urban, 8 to 9. If you drive carefully it can low down, of course, go down. Let we try some highway in this city and extra city, little bit extra city driving. Oh, hear that nice sound, guys. Full throttle. With 120, I'm feeling like I'm racing seriously. That's the good about the old cars, you feel the speed, you feel the acceleration. It's not hidden like in the newer ones. Okay, I'll close that window. Sorry for that, guys. Well, we still have some noise, but that's not from the factory. Okay, let's see how it's traveled. But the gearbox is really short for a diesel, guys. Look at 140 and we're at 3K. That's why TDS and this gearbox is not good for a highway, guys. Just, it has power, but you have to push it too much to drive fast. And you can really easy overheat it like this. That's the thing I don't like about it. Yes, it's short gearbox. Otherwise it turns well for an old car, and after all it has a sports suspension, so there is no much body roll. It's transferring the weight good, even though it's an estate car. We can't ask for more, actually. Hard thing, but because I don't want the climate to take from my power. It's not much. So I don't give it. Nice to rev match, as I told you in my other video. See now, rev matching control. Nice, beautiful. Second rev match. Really cool for rev match. When I see this, I always get really aggressive. Well guys, it's an old diesel, it won't go really fast, but still it's enjoyable acceleration, you enjoy doing it. And that's the important thing after all. Accompanied with that sound of the exhaust, it's cool. Of course it's a heavy one, 3rd series is much wider with that engine. Let's go in the hood. That turbo is really good at the wall revs, but the hairs cannot be pumped so hard. Nice stiff ride, but still comfortable with that suspension. Again TDS guys, you can see TDS, a lot of TDS today. Need some adjusting of the running gear, little on the right. It's my street. This one Honda guy prevent me from enjoying this corner fully. It's got a response, see. For a diesel is good. Old diesel is good response, really. Wow, it sounds like a truck. Really cool. Yeah, it has some power to show, first gear especially. TDS power, guys. TDS, the old TDS still has some power muscles to show. Well, it's not that aggressive and revving like the new common rails, but it's still a nice feeling to do it. Like you're revving some old machine with a specific noise of the engine. And that dashboard, guys, so old school. Reminds me so much of E30, which I haven't driven so far. I hope soon I'll drive E30. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this old school Mania E34 TDS engine. I remember the days when I had E34, and this one has an LSD differential, which really make the things cooler. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to us, put the notification on by clicking on this bell so that you receive alerts when we have a new video. And drive these nice cars, guys, while you still have time, while they have not banned them completely, because that's your time to enjoy them. And that's it, guys. Stay healthy. Bye.